Every click you make is tracked. Every playlist, every late night food order, every swipe on your screen. Do you think it's random? It's not. Behind the scenes, algorithms are predicting your choices even before you know them. And the people building those algorithms? MS and analytics grads. They are the ones behind systems where billion-dollar companies run on. So welcome back to GradRight. Today, we are decoding the degree that takes you from guessing to actually knowing, the Masters in Analytics. Take a seat, get a snack, because we will take you through every step. Let's dive in. This isn't Hogwarts. You don't need to be the chosen one with a destiny. Analytics needs a team. Engineers bring logic. Business majors bring strategy. Liberal arts grads bring perspective. And scientists bring problem solving. Together, they make the perfect analytics squad. So what's on the entry checklist? A GPA of 7 on a scale of 10 or 3 on a scale of 4. A score of excess of 310 in GRE and 600 in GMAT. Should have basic knowledge of stats and probability and exposure to programming languages like Python, R and SQL.